Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to edit your comment on YouTube. So to do this you have just to go to YouTube and go to any video that you put a comment on, like this video. For example, I commented on it, and as you can see, this is my comment. To edit my comment, I have just to click on the 3 points next to it and click on edit. And after that, I will do whatever I want to edit. And after that, click on that send icon. And as you can see, my comment is edited. And as you can see, there is also edited written next to it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.